Simple and yet complex. Well, hello. This is Chef Pepe, luxury chef, celebrity chef, best-selling author. And now you get to come in my home as I prepare you meal. I'm preparing a meal for my family today. And they get nothing but the best. Yeah. So I'm going to start, today we're going to make a salmon bowl. I'm going to start by just chopping up a little onion, or onion, as some say. And I'm going to make a little bit of rice. And I like to season my rice with a little bit of onion. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to this pan, and right in this pan I'm going to saute the onions. That's going to flavor up that oil really good for me. And then I'm going to saute the raw rice, uncooked rice, right inside that oil. It's going to help to just give a little more fragrant, to the rice. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, some garlic powder, and then some water. Okay, so now that I've got that going, it's time to prepare the salmon. So the salmon is the real star of the show. And the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of cut away at this skin. Try to get everything kind of uniform at first, like right there. You see what I'm doing? I'm just pulling down and pulling. Pull down and pull. And it's pulling the skin away from it. Try and really keep all of the meat on there. I see people that leave so much meat on there, so sometimes you might have to go ahead and do that. Okay. So I'm going to go on the other end too, because it always kind of gets tricky at this middle part right here. You see how it's starting to tear away. And so I'm going to start back on this side. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but and yes, my hands are clean. There we go. So pulling away again, just pulling the skin. A few fun facts about salmon skin. Salmon skins are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. In Japan, it is actually a delicacy, and it's often served grilled or roasted. Some chefs recommend eating the skin of wild salmon as it's more flavorful than the skin of farmed salmon. And salmon skin can be used as a natural source of collagen. Just a few fun facts. But now, look what I've got. I've got my salmon. So what I like to do is take this salmon, cut it into chunks. There's one. Nice chunks. There. There. And there. Alright, now we're gonna Alright, I'm gonna put this back into the pan here. And now what I'm going to do is just peel these shrimp. I'm just going to leave the skins on, but I decided let me make it easier work for everybody. Just go ahead and peel those. Okay, let's take a look at that immerse. What's going on over there? Ooh, look at that. One thing you can see here is there is a lot of starch here. And that's this Thai jasmine rice. It tends to be a little more starchy. But I actually like it on the salmon bowl. It kind of gives it a nice little hold to it. And let it remain cooked. Okay, so what I did was just added this soy sauce, this oyster sauce, as well as some soy sauce. And I made it into like a little marinade. And you just take some butter. let's take a quick deep look at that. Now the rice. Look at that. Oh yeah, that rice is ready. That rice is definitely ready. So I'm gonna leave that little the butter just like that's in there with. And to that I'm gonna add some eggs and vegetables. Time to assemble this baby. So we're gonna add our rice first. Alright, add our rice base. Add some vegetables there on that side. Add some shrimps right there. Add some salmon to it. I'm gonna take just a little bit of extra gravy. Put over that. Here we are. I was eating and I wasn't recording and I didn't know, but I was still enjoying either way. Simple and yet complex. But one thing it definitely is delicious. Okay. I gotta plate up some bowls for my family. So thank you for stepping into my home. Thank you for sharing this meal with me. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. If you haven't already liked and subscribed here, now's your chance. Click on my face. Click on that little icon. You can subscribe right now. Buen provecho.